Hi there, and welcome to C3 Integrated Solutions Microsoft Office 365 tutorials. My name is Beth Trimmer, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about using email in Outlook Web Access, affectionately nicknamed OWA. Today I'm going to cover how to log in to OWA, what you'll see and the different sections of the interface, how to view, send, reply to, and delete emails, how to view attachments in the browser, and a few useful tips to keep in mind when you're using OWA. So let's get started. First things first, logging in. There are two different websites you can go to access your email via OWA. The first, portal.microsoftonline.com, will take you to the Microsoft Online portal, which we covered in a previous tutorial, and from there you can click the Outlook link to get your email. Or you can go to mail.office365.com, which will take you directly to your inbox. I'm going to use that option since it's a little more straightforward. So here we are in the main OWA screen. As you can see, this is laid out very similarly to the Outlook client you might have installed on your work computer. Along the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation pane, which displays the contents you've selected at the bottom. Because I've just logged in, it's defaulting to my mail folders, but if I wanted, I could view my calendar, contacts, and tasks by clicking on the appropriate button down here at the bottom. In the center, you'll see the View pane. This displays the contents of whatever you've selected in the navigation pane. Notice it defaulted to the Inbox folder of my mail, but I can easily click on a different folder and see the contents here. And here on the right is the Reading pane. This displays whatever message you've highlighted in the View pane. So as I click on different messages, you can see the message itself displays here. Additionally, I can double-click a message in the View pane and it will open in a separate window. This can be helpful if you're reading an email with a ton of content or an email with images that don't easily fit in the Reading pane. There are also some menus here near the top of the screen. This is where you'll click to create a new email message. We'll cover that in just a moment, as well as to search and filter your messages, which we'll cover in a separate tutorial. So now that you've seen what it looks like, let's go ahead and create a new email. To do that, just click the new link, and up pops a new message window. You'll see you have all the normal options you'd expect from an email program: attachments, address book, priorities, font and color, etc. But I'm just sending a simple message this time, so I'll add the person I'm sending to, add the subject, and add the content, and then click Send. Easy peasy. Replying to or forwarding a message is just as easy. Click the email in the View pane, and then click the Reply, Reply All, or Forward button. Up pops another message window, this time with my email's content and address already filled out. I'll add a quick message in reply and click Send. Lastly, I'm guessing you get a lot of email every day, and if you do, you probably don't want all of it clogging up your inbox. Once you're done with a message, there are a few ways to delete it. You can highlight it in the View pane and click Delete. You can right-click it and choose Delete from the menu, or highlight it and hit the Delete key on your keyboard. This will move that message to your deleted items bin, so it's out of your way, but it's still in your account taking up space. It won't be truly gone until you empty your deleted items bin. Your company may be set up to do this automatically every so often, or you may need to do it on your own. If you want to empty it manually, just find it in the navigation pane, right-click it, choose Empty Deleted Items, and click Yes when the message asks if you're sure. Keep in mind that if you accidentally delete something, you can always restore it from your deleted items bin. But once you've emptied your bin, all the messages in it are gone for good. One last nifty feature I want to show you is the ability to view attachments inside your browser. If you receive an email with attachments, it will give you the typical options of opening or downloading them. But that only works well if you have the appropriate software on your computer. So if you receive a Microsoft Word document or a PDF, but don't have Word or Adobe Reader installed, or if you're viewing the email on a mobile device instead of your computer, it doesn't do you very much good. OWA to the rescue. You'll notice that every attachment has, in teeny little letters to the right of it, the words Open in Browser. Click on this and OWA will display the document for you. Now keep in mind that this primarily only works with Microsoft Office documents and PDFs, and you'll only be able to view documents this way. You can't edit them. But it's still a really handy way of reviewing a document when you don't have the software at your fingertips. Lastly, a few quick tips to keep in mind when working in OWA. I'm sure you noticed that using OWA involves quite a few pop-up windows. That's all well and good unless you have a pop-up blocker installed, and many of us do. Keep in mind, the first few times you use OWA, your pop-up blocker may give you a little trouble. But it should always tell you that it's trying to block a pop-up window, and it should give you the option of allowing it. Typically, it will give you an option like Allow all pop-ups for this website or for this domain, and if you see that option, take it. If you have trouble, just check with your IT folks and they'll help you sort it out. Also, as you click back and forth between emails and screens inside OWA, it's important to remember to always use OWA's own navigation. Don't click your browser's back or forward buttons. If you do, there's a good chance OWA will get confused and will send you back to the logon screen, and you could potentially lose any unsaved emails you're working on. You've been warned. So there you have it. Everything you need to get started with email in Microsoft Outlook Web Access. Check out the next tutorial in our series, Staying Organized in Outlook Web Access, on our YouTube channel. Or, for more information about Microsoft Office 365 and C3 integrated solutions, check out the links below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.